Well, howdy there, it's Big Mike, and today we are in Humboldt, Arizona, not too far from Dewey. It's like east of Prescott on Highway 69. Check this out, it's a 1959 Impala, and it is for sale. Brad, the owner here, has let me come up here and do some videos. Really appreciate that. And definitely worth a stop up here if you get a chance. He's got lots of cool stuff, including lots of C10 stuff. He's got a little everything he sells, and does keep some his private collection, of course, like everybody does. This is something for looking for somebody to restore this bad boy here, though. We've got a beautiful day out here, and it's Iron King Auto Salvage. Sorry about the hand stuff in the way there, my bad. Let's walk around and see the tail fins on this thing are pretty amazing. As we keep walking around, see kind of a mixture of other old cars. I know he does a lot of Chevys. I'm not sure. Like kind of interesting kind of 4x4 build or something. But could be a fun one there. And now we're going into, I know he has a bunch of, these are the Chevys. I know he has a bunch of C10s. Some of this is his personal. He does sell some stuff. I mean, he has a mix, and he has a lot of stuff on the other side too. So check with him. I know he's always buying and selling stuff. Really good contact. Like I said, he's just east of Prescott on Highway 69. Definitely worth coming up and checking out. That's an old Nova, I believe. And just kind of moseying along up here, trying to do a nice slow pan so you can see stuff. I believe this one's a 61, 62 Chevy Pickup. Pretty neat look right there. Give you a little better view of it. Going back, we've got an older Cadillac here. That's a convertible Fiery, or I forget. He told me what it was. It's a pretty special convertible, I believe. And there's another one of the old Chevy trucks. Love those old tailgates. That's a neat tailgate right there. Love those old Chevy tailgates. Checking this one out. This was called a knee knocker. If you look right where the window, it wrapped around. And when he got in, a lot of guys had issues. They'd go through and nail their knees trying to get in. So. Listen to that bad boy run. What year is this?
66.
Wow, sweet. This one you're selling? Is this one you're selling, or is this is your baby? Nice. Cool. Here, can you rev it up a little bit? Hear it run? And here we got an older Chevy crew cab. Looks like. And not sure what that bed is. Brad did a lot of racing. Won a lot of races with those he's telling me about. And this is a old Camaro. What's kind of funny is they took the doors and actually shortened the doors. So that was pretty wild. They made the doors shorter. Because they want big guys like me in there. Bet you that was a runner in its day. A couple of other race cars. I believe that other one was a Dodge Dart, I believe. Toyota pickup, I believe. Some neat old Fords here. Some of this is, there's some older stuff in here. I don't know. I'd go put a 12-valve Cummins in some of these nicer Fords here. They make a nice running truck right there. You could gas mileage 22, 23 miles a gallon too, and you can pull anything. Yeah, my personal favorites. I like the old Fords myself. Here's another old Ford. Then we're gonna take a look. I think this is kind of more the little faster cars and some stuff. It's kind of mixed, but there's a couple interesting cars in here. This is newer stuff, but hey, it's all good. Just kind of letting you have a slow pan around to see what you like. The Firebird? I'm not sure what that one is. And then there's that truck on the hill again. Pretty mean looking truck there. And here's and it's just kind of an overlook of, I don't know if this is impound lot. I'm not sure what lot this is, but can't really get down to these. I thought I'd take a few photos. Just a couple cool cars and trucks mixed in there. Old Chevy right there. And here's a little bit more. Well, there's some little nice old Ford trucks. That's where we looked at earlier, a couple of them. Some of the stuff's kind of hit or miss and how I got into it. But these are some of the older, or these are some of the newer stuff. I'm sorry, kind of a mix. But there's a couple 70s and stuff like that in there. A couple Fords I saw. But definitely worth it. Check it out. Got your hubcaps here.
So here we'll stage this just a hair.
There we go.
Stage this up just.
What's that?
Square body Chevy truck door. 67 to 72 Chevy truck door. 70s Camaro fender and a Z28 hood.
Oh, by the way, Brad, say hi to everybody and tell them your business on that.
Hey, this is Brad from Iron King. Got some stuff out back that's been here for years.
Come check it out.
70 Nova hood.
Nice.
Got some Ford hoods for 73 to 79 Ford. Some more old Chevy truck doors. Oh, over here we got some Toyota stuff. 70s Suburban rear door.
Is that the Suburban one? All right. I was wondering because I had one I didn't know. I tried to figure out what the GMC one looked like.
There's a Suburban rear door.
Yeah.
So here we got some Ford doors, old school. Here's a 70-ish El Camino door. We'll check out some Fiero parts.
Haven't seen those in a while.
Mustang fender. Oh, there's a 65 Mustang door over there.
Nice.
When you walk up there, there's some Volkswagen stuff on the right.
Got some nice old stuff right there. Let's go see what's.
See the F-150 fenders up on the thing. Those are like 76-ish.
Those will go on my crew cab short bed.
There you go. And there's a bunch of Volkswagen doors and fenders and rear hatch.
Nice.
OBS fender, square body fenders.
Cool.